Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today on Kitchen Talk Live. I am glad to be taking over here in Austin. So, as you are all aware, we protect your businesses, your homes, your cars, and everything you work hard for. But it is so important to protect our bodies and our minds as well. You have to love yourself from the inside out. That's why we're thrilled today to be talking with Heather, owner of Body Bliss. Good morning, Heather. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm great, Caitlin. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Well, so Heather, why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, so I am a 30-year-old businesswoman here, relocated to Austin from Wisconsin, go Packers, in October of 2018. And I am definitely not a snowbird. I love the hot. So I'm extremely happy to be here in Texas. But yeah, I started this business earlier this year, actually, and it's just really taken off. And I have been in the health and wellness, kind of portion of my life over the last really 2 years, kind of really digging into it. And I've just learned so much from my coach that it really inspired me to, once I turned my life around, to help other women do the same and really gain the confidence that they might feel on the inside, but don't feel that they look it on the outside. And that's so important as women. So I'm really excited to kind of share a little bit about what I offer. And I have 2 stepsons, and I am married as well. And we have 3 fur kids. My oldest is joining me here, a 19-year-old kitty. So he may or may not pop by.
That's awesome. I usually have little ones that you hear in the background. They're with grandma this morning.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So why don't you tell us, I agree with you that, confidence is key and kind of believing in yourself. And that takes a lot. And a good coach is important. Somebody to, keep you on top of those workouts because life gets busy. Life is hectic. So why don't you share some of the techniques and some of the ways you coach?
Yeah, great question. There is a lot out there. It can be very overwhelming. And there are good things and there are bad things. You're not going to lose your belly fat with a skinny tea. I'm just going to be very honest. There's no quick fix. There's no magic pill. It's about doing the work, but it's about finding someone that helps you do the work as well and really can guide you and help you reach your goals, whatever those might be. Maybe it's losing weight, maybe it's building muscle, maybe it's, just trying to maintain, or maybe it's you're a chronic dieter, you've been a chronic dieter for years, and maybe you're trying to break that cycle. And kudos to you for wanting to finally break that cycle. So as women, we have, this tendency to take care of everyone else and forget about ourselves, or put ourselves second. And so my whole philosophy is to help women understand that even if it's only 30 minutes a day that you dedicate to yourself, that you are in the right mindset to be able to reach those goals that you have, no matter what they are. Because if you're not taking care of yourself, how can you really, truly take care of your family, right? And whether you have a family or not, but how can you truly take care of others if you can't take care of yourself first, right?
Exactly.
So, yeah, so I definitely pride myself in taking an individualized approach. There is no cookie cutter meal plan. There is no, different clients might share the same workout in some way, shape, or form, or somewhere down the line, but it's definitely very individualized. I work with my clients to understand their specific goals, medical histories, etc., so that we can really come up with something that works for you. So I definitely have fitness and nutrition options. I have clients that are strictly nutrition only. Because it really depends where you are. If you're a full-time businesswoman and you're a mom and you cook and you clean and all of that, you might not be able to do fitness and nutrition at first. Maybe we just start with nutrition and that's okay. Excuse me. But it's really kind of going through individually and saying, okay, let's really look at what you eat in a day, because it's usually one end of the spectrum or the other. I'm sure you can attest to this as well. We either eat our faces off or we eat nothing and it's 2:00 and we're like, crap, I need to eat something. So it's definitely about forming consistency, forming habits, and that does not happen overnight, right? So I've worked with a coach for the last 2 years, and I don't know what I would do without my coach. So I think it's really important to have the accountability, have the group of women that are all of my clients into, we have a group chat. We're going to be launching a Facebook only page, and we do monthly Zoom calls as well.
Okay.
So definitely having the accountability, the community, and really taking an individualized approach to getting to your goals.
That is awesome. And I think that's so important because everybody is different. And like you said, what works for me may not work for you. And kind of like you said, I'm the crazy one that's fed all the babies. And then at 2, I'm like, oh my goodness, I've been working all day. I've taken care of kids. I've got to eat too. So I think that's awesome that you do individualize it like that. So with your workouts, you individualize those as well with the nutrition. How are you with your clients? Can they reach out to you whenever they want? Do you check in with them throughout the day? I know you mentioned groups. That alone is awesome. Having a group of women, hey, I'm struggling. Hey, go get it. Go push yourself. I think that's awesome.
Yeah, I really love it. And there's this, camaraderie that comes with the group chat. And we have some women that aren't very, active on the group chat, and that's okay too. It's all about what's going to motivate you the best, right? What helps you the best? Great question. So I actually use an app that shows videos of all of the movements that I quote prescribe for people. I'm in the process of actually getting all of those videos over to me performing them, but the app actually allows me to evaluate everyone's food logs, everyone's workouts, how they're progressing in their workouts. It allows them to see videos for proper form, because that's really tough. If you go into the gym and you've not really worked out before, and I prescribe something to you like a bicep curl, you might have no idea how to correctly do that, right? So definitely videos to, show people. And then again, I'm looking at their food logs. So our weekly check-ins are very, I don't want to say intense, but they are intense, because twice a week I go over everyone's food logs, and I specifically look at, okay, you ate this day, you ate this day, you didn't hit your protocols that I gave you. So here's how you might have done that, differently to be able to hit those protocols. And then on the weekly check-ins, we're not just evaluating, or I should say me, I'm not just evaluating their diet and their workouts. There are so many other things that go into weight loss and just physically being healthy, like your steps, like your sleep, like your stress level. Looking at all of these different factors all goes into a check-in. So I advise people that if you are looking for a coach, ask those questions. Ask them what is included, because if you choose not to go with me because we don't work out, that's okay, right? If we have a 10-minute call and you're like, you know what, your personality is just not for me, there are a lot of other coaches out there, but make sure that for whatever you're paying, you're getting the bang for your buck. That's the biggest thing, and it's going to help you overall.
I definitely agree with that. And I appreciate the fact that you take your time with your clients and get to know them and what's going to work best with them, because that is very important. And asking those questions, that's great advice, making sure you are working with the right coach. So that is awesome advice. Now, where are you located? Because, with today's day and age, are you open to anywhere? Like you said, you relocated. So does that mean you are all over Texas? Are you just in the Austin area? Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, great question. I'm strictly online health and wellness coach. So I have clients from my hometown of Wisconsin, or home state of Wisconsin. I have clients in Las Vegas. I have clients here in Texas. So kind of spread all over. So really, we communicate via phone, via text message, and via voice memo. Especially when we're doing our check-ins. So virtually, you can do this anywhere, which, to your point, today's day and age, you can do everything online. I think coronavirus has taught us that, right? I am in the finishing my NASM, which is the National Academy of Sports Medicine, Certified Personal Trainer certification. So once I finish that, I may offer some local, maybe a workout session here and there, but I really think that the key to success is doing something for, over time, where you really work with someone. And honestly, the easiest way to do that now, with everyone's busy schedules, being moms, being businesswomen, etc., is virtually. It's just the easiest way, in my opinion.
I think I second that. Well, tell me a little bit about your goals for the rest of the year and maybe next year. I know you mentioned finishing that. Do you have any other goals in mind for the next year?
Yeah, I definitely am working to grow this business, as I know you are as well, right? Getting our names out there in women empowerment. So definitely working on fine tuning my business, definitely working on gaining more women that I can help, that it truly, I say this all the time and it sounds really cheesy, but it sets my soul on fire. And I think that that's when you really find your purpose, right? So yeah, growing my business, I bought a home in last October. So trying to finish everything, I feel like it's an ongoing project, right?
There's always something, a new project that you can find that needs to be done.
Absolutely. So
owning your own home, that's awesome.
yeah, and I did it before we got married too. So it was like 30 years old, I bought my own house by myself after, 12 years of renting. So it was really exciting. As a woman, that's just really exciting.
No, that is. Congrats. Work hard. Not that to show hard work paid off.
Absolutely. So yeah, goals for the rest of the year, finishing up my NASM certification. And then early next year, I do plan on going through one of the best online nutrition certification that there is, Precision One Nutrition. And honestly, just learning every single day. That's the only way that you're going to grow personally and also be able to help your clients. So we just, as a society, nutrition has gone to the wayside. We put so much processed food in our bodies that the more that I can learn to help others, the better it is for my brain, my body, and then my clients as well.
Definitely.
What about for you? Do you have any goals?
I do, just like you said, continue to grow, kind of group with other powerful women that are self-motivating and doing other things like that. And like you, growing with your mind and your body, I would like to continue to, I love running and doing things like that. And with everything taken over from school and stuff, I've been kind of slacking in that department. So I might actually be reaching out to you after this kind of for that accountability.
Yeah.
And just continuing to get my name out there. I am a commercial insurance specialist and I enjoy what I do. I enjoy protecting families, kind of like you enjoy helping women grow to love themselves. I enjoy helping women protect everything they work hard for. So those would be my goals.
Love that.
Definitely. Yeah. Well, Heather, tell me how we can reach you if we want to reach out and kind of connect with you.
Yeah, absolutely. I believe we're going to link a few things below in the comments here as well. So for those that maybe, you want to set up a 10-minute phone call with me, I will put the link for just kind of doing a quick little, I think it should take you no more than 1 to 2 minutes to fill it out. And I usually get back with you within 24 hours with a few time slots that might work for me. So definitely a free phone consultation. I do have a free Facebook group where I share a lot of good information. It's definitely something where if you've kind of been watching, you're on the sidelines and maybe you're not sure yet and you want to watch a little bit more, that's what the free Facebook group is definitely for. And I post some fun things in there as well, recipes and all that good stuff.
Motivating things too. I've you and I enjoy some of the posts you make. They are motivating and kind of make you think. So.
Good. Yes. And that's, not to get off track, but that's definitely something that I think a lot of people miss is when you're on a health and fitness journey or health and wellness, whatever you might call it, mindset is such a huge part of that. And I can honestly say when I started working with my life coach, it changed my life, tremendously within 3 to 6 months. I don't even know the person I was last December. I really don't. And so that is something that I think I offer my clients as well, is to really work on the mindset. I can think of one client in particular. She's like, I know you didn't sign up to be like my pseudo therapist. And I'm like, actually, I kind of did, because it all plays into it, right? Exactly. So, so definitely a lot of mindset posts as well you'll find on all of my accounts. And then last but not least, I'm working on a website, but honestly, Instagram works really, really well. So Instagram.com/bodybliss by Heather, and it's bodybliss X Heather. And that's where you can find a podcast that I did too with my coach that actually goes through a little bit more of my story in depth and why I started training and then coaching others. So definitely a lot of good information on the Instagram as well.
That is awesome. Well, thank you so much, Heather, for joining us today. Everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. If you would like to sign up, feel free to reach out, and let's build connections together, and let's build to learn and love ourselves. You guys, you are all truly beautiful. And remember, we're here to help you protect those homes, those cars, those businesses, and everything you work hard for. Reach out to us if you'd like a free quote or even a free policy review. Everyone, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like this video and continue to follow us, because every week we will be sharing other local businesses. Thanks, guys, and I hope you.
Thanks, Caitlin.
Thank you, Heather, and we hope you all have a great week.